This is how to fix iPhone vibration not working. So, if you have an iPhone and you prefer your iPhone to vibrate each time you have an incoming call, then this is exactly how to fix it. The first you want to check is you want to check whether your iPhone is on silent mode or not. So, if you put your iPhone on silent mode and you have an incoming call, it's not going to vibrate. The fastest and easiest way to check if your iPhone is on silent mode is to use the action button you have here. This one. So check it. So if you set the silent mode to turn off vibration, once you have the silent mode on, vibration is going to turn off. So if you are not on silent mode, then these are the basic steps you should take. The first step is you want to go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On your iPhone settings, you want to scroll down and then click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down, locate and click on touch. Now, under touch, you want to scroll down and locate vibration. So, keep scrolling. Make sure vibration is turned on. If vibration is turned off on your iPhone is not going to vibrate each time you have any notifications, including your incoming calls. So, if this is turned off, make sure you toggle this on. That's the first way you can use to fix vibration not working on your iPhone. Now again, go back to your iPhone main settings. On the main settings, scroll down, locate and click on Sounds and Haptics. Once you click on that, you want to scroll down and tap Ringtone. So scroll down, locate your ringtone, click on it, click on Haptics. Now, if you scroll through Haptics, you can easily set your Haptics to none, like this. So if you set your iPhone Haptics to none, this is not going to vibrate each time you have an incoming call. What you simply need to do is come to say standard or custom and choose your iPhone vibration like that. Then hit the back button. Now, as a bonus, what you want to do is you want to go back to the Sounds and Haptics page like this, and then locate Haptics, tap on it. Now you need to set your Haptics to always play. With this, your Haptics is going to play while in silent mode or while in normal mode. So if you choose never to play, your iPhone vibration will not work. So if it is not working, just set this to always, and after that you are good. So those are the basic steps you need to take to fix iPhone vibration stop working or not working. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.